Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Hansu, and today's video is about this little plant, Peperomia scandens. This is variegated version of Peperomia scandens. It has light green with creamy white variegation on the foliage. This Peperomia also commonly called as Cupid Peperomia, which is quite cute name. It has been named because of its foliage shape. To care for this plant, what I generally do is I place this plant on the bright to medium light conditions for the light. However, it starts to be burned when it sits close to the window, so I always make sure to keep space from the window. About the watering, as it doesn't like to sit in a wet soil, I try to give water whenever the soil is slightly dry, generally once in 10 days. Plus, as it can be rotten easily, so I try to not make the stem wet when I water it. Peperomia doesn't require often fertilizer. I haven't given fertilizer for over 6 months, and it still looks fine. If you give about once in 2 months during the warmer season, it will encourage to let it grow faster. Cupid Peperomia is trailing indoor plant, and that's why it's getting longer and longer, but I personally like it to be full of foliage on the stem. As few stems are dropped foliage, I'm going to trim them back and encourage the new shoots. With these cuttings, now I'm going to propagate them. For the propagation, I'm going to do water propagation. When I do water propagation, I mostly remove the bottom foliage. It may be not essential to do it, but for me, I do it because if there is bottom foliage, I think it will increase the chance of rotting, and also if there is more foliage, it needs more energy, so I remove few. For this plant, I heard we can do leaf propagation as well. I'm not really believe that it will do well, but as I got few leaves, better to try, I think. I tried to put in the same jar for propagation, but it really didn't look well. So I decided to tie up and put in the water. This is a jute rope which I'm not prefer to use. Because I used it for last time and it became rotten and black in the water. But I couldn't find any rope, so just going to use it. Cut the rope as I need. As this time it's going too hard to tie cuttings together, I prepare the knot first. Now just put cuttings and foliage in the knot one by one. It looks okay, but actually the jar was too wide for this cutting. The few leaves are merging into water. Eventually decided to move to smaller container. So today I kept trim and did more propagation. Even though I feel like I've done too much trim, but it will become full of foliage soon. What the cutting is, to encourage them root quicker, I'm going to put in a bright blue to get lights a lot. So this is pretty much everything for today's video. Thank you for watching and we'll see you later.